So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to go you a quick tip that you can use if your power button is not working. The main functionality of your power button is to turn the screen off and lock your iPhone. So you can do both of them without using the power button. Now first of all, simply open the settings and search for assistive access. You can see it's right there, or you can easily find it on the accessibility as well. Simply go to accessibility, go to touch, and here you'll see this option of accessibility touch, and turn this option on. Now once you do that, here you'll see a ball type that's on your screen right now. Just simply tap over there and you will see this option of home and multiple things right there. Now simply click on this option of device, and once you go over there, here you'll see this option of a lock screen. Now you can use this to take your button to lock your screen, or while you are on the lock screen, you can simply double tap on your screen to turn the screen on, so that you can use your iPhone without the power button. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.